Welcome back to AshaDorable. The premise of this show is to paint my face before I go. Now, I'm grasping at straws, this is not like me, I usually have an idea, but who am I inspired by? Who am I inspired by right now? We're just gonna go for it, Green Bay Packers. I know, not what we're thinking, but we're one of the original teams, so I'm going to just dive right in. Let's just see how it goes, guys. I don't know. Welcome to AshaDorable. All right, so I've actually decided to use some of my Say Less Vapor just to moisturize my face before we get started. It's so good. No paid sponsorship or anything like that. It's just my friend's brand and it's super dope. So I feel like these are so untamed and unruly. Like this is after like moisturize. After like moisturizing yet again. I'm not an expert, y'all, but I do hope I inspire somebody, somewhere. So this is me just kind of filling in with this nice brown. So Beauty Bakery butter, just so my face can hydrate in some places it needs it. My T-zone always gets like dry. Everyone else has oily T-zones. I don't know. Elf Coconut Mist, I'm loving this thing. Any excuse to use it. Moisture, concealer. Let me just pull out this Tarte. Hope I didn't put too much in that area. Okay, cool. Only because I know I need to keep it a lot. We're gonna take this little spongy thingy. We're just gonna attack the face. Well, not trying to mess up the eyebrows too much. I did just put them on. Now we're gonna go in with this Beauty Bakery flour. I'm patting it down because, wow, last time I took up way too much product. You need to do all that, okay? So it is clear, Green Bay Packers colors. Let's go. So I have my green and yellow palettes basically ready to go. So we're gonna go with Nzinga and the Warrior 3. Now it's time to go in with these white liners. I'm gonna use NYX, the retractable one. When I start bringing the green in, start running the green into a different spot on my face. So I'm gonna go with sand. I'm gonna stick with Sand the Man, that really dark green. Are we seeing this? Are we liking this? I love it. I'm gonna take that sand now, that same sand I was hyping from Tribe. And we're gonna take Sand the Man and make Sand the Man the outlining factor. Just keep lining out with Sand the Man. Make sure it's really dark on this side as well. Definitely kept it different, kept it unique. Same Essence Splash Princess, but my new go-to. And I could have gone white, but honestly the team's color is pretty heavy on the green and that nice contrast of green and yellow anyway. So I don't want to take away from that. Canvas by Juvia's, I'm going to use it to conceal. So we're gonna take the smudger. This is in Tribe. The color Sand. So we're gonna put the concealer, actually, I'll probably choose my brush this time. I'm gonna go right underneath the sands. So let me just go back over one more time with some foundation before I set it properly. I don't even know what this thing is called, y'all. The little flat top brush. Moving it in, blending it into my hairline as well. My contour palette. That's some nice definition for the face. Nice and dry. I think I'm going to also use some of the Juvia's Place Gobi. Voila! This is the craziest. I look like I totally belong at like a rock concert now. Shout out to Green Bay Packers. Definitely gotta do Chicago Bears next. Like, no duh. Thank you guys so much for watching AshaDorable. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and watch the other videos as well by AshaDorable. Have a good one.